Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with this random bike lock. It's a U bike lock. Anyway, I didn't know where this came from. I have no idea what key goes to it. When I checked out the keyway to it, let me zoom in here for you. You know, initially I thought, oh, maybe it's an old school like disc detainer or something, but no, it's a slider lock, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and back this guy up here, and we're gonna work on some slider action for you guys today. There we go. You know, I gotta tell you, I mean, first off, it took me a minute to try to find a tension wrench that went down in there far enough. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can't get this guy open for you, because I don't know if I can. I like to say that I can, but then again, you never know. Ooh, there we go. A nice false set there now. It sure would be nice if I could get this sucker open for you. It sure would be a treat. So what I'm trying to do here is there are pins on the upper portion and like here on this part down here, and then there are some that are coming down like here, like up this way and down from the same angle. So I mean, we almost got it open, I think, here. And there we go. Look at that. We got that sucker open. Sweet. Let's see if I can give you a little bit better look at what that keyway looks like again there. Just odd little duck, really. Sorry, I know that this light is bright and probably not showing you everything that you need to see, but yeah. Anyway, a slider lock. So what I did is I just, the slider's on top that I try to push this way, and the slider's on the bottom, I try to push this way. So that's really all the best I can explain it, you know. This is the first time I got this lock open. Oh, it does have a part number on here too. It says this is on guard lock X2 power 551018. That's probably the key fitting to this thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.